So, what is cloud computing? You might have heard people mention the cloud, terms like cloud storage and cloud computing. However, you may still be unsure of what it truly means. This topic is what we'll explore in today's video. Let's simplify it. Cloud computing refers to the storage and operation of your data and applications on remote servers instead of on your personal devices. Put simply, rather than having your laptop or office computer do all the work, the cloud takes on that workload, with everything accessed via the internet. Consequently, your computer is no longer the main processor. The cloud handles that workload for you. So, what exactly is the cloud? In the simplest terms, the cloud is a large facility full of computers. More specifically, it's a vast data center containing thousands of powerful machines, referred to as servers. Servers are specialized computers that deliver services to users and applications. If you peer into a modern data center, you'll see countless server racks stretching endlessly. These servers execute tasks including running applications, storing data, processing information, hosting websites, streaming videos, managing databases. They all connect to the internet, making them accessible to users worldwide at any time. What is the purpose of the cloud? The firms that manage these data centers are known as cloud providers. Their business model is straightforward. They offer computing power as a rental service. A service implies compensating someone else to complete a task instead of doing it yourself. Thus, if a person or company prefers to delegate part or all of their computing tasks, they can utilize the cloud. Before cloud computing, prior to cloud computing gaining popularity, companies had to manage everything internally. Let's use email as an illustration. If you needed email for your business, you had to set up and maintain your own email server. This required a physical server and operating system email software, such as Microsoft Exchange. Configuring and maintaining the system once established, your company could send and receive emails. However, issues could arise. If something went wrong, such as hardware failure, software glitches, server crashes, you were obligated to resolve it. You also had to manage upgrades, security, maintenance, and backups. This was a significant workload. Cloud email services. To avoid that hassle, businesses can opt for cloud-based email services like Gmail, Hotmail. These platforms operate on extensive cloud infrastructure. So, there's no need for you to maintain any servers, as the provider does everything. Cloud computing beyond email. Email is just one example of what cloud computing includes. Other cloud services cover productivity software, web hosting, databases, data analytics, video streaming platforms. Even platforms such as YouTube operate using cloud infrastructure. Example, YouTube as the cloud. Imagine you're a video creator. Rather than building your own video platform, which would involve costly servers, software, and high internet bandwidth, you can simply upload your videos to YouTube. YouTube manages video storage, streaming, global distribution, server maintenance. Instead of making direct payments like with traditional cloud services, YouTube shares advertising revenue with creators. Why do companies use cloud computing? There are several key reasons. 1. Reduced costs. Cloud computing frees businesses from spending large amounts on hardware, software, data centers, electricity, cooling systems, maintenance staff. Rather than investing millions in building infrastructure, companies can rent cloud computing power instead. 2. Reliability. Cloud providers also take care of data backups, disaster recovery system monitoring. If one data center fails, another backup facility automatically takes over. This redundancy minimizes downtime. 3. Scalability. Cloud services provide pay-as-you-go pricing. This means you only pay for the computing power you genuinely use. For instance, if you need only a few servers initially, you can rent a minimal amount. As your business grows, you can quickly scale up, renting more power. If demand decreases, you can scale back down. This flexibility stands as one of cloud computing's most significant benefits. The largest cloud providers today. Leading cloud providers today include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud. Among them, Amazon Web Services, AWS, is the largest, holding approximately 1/3 of the global cloud market. Example, Netflix leverages the cloud. Netflix is one of AWS's significant customers. Netflix heavily depends on Amazon's cloud for data storage, databases, analytics, video processing, streaming, delivery. Instead of investing immense amounts in building its own global data centers, Netflix rents necessary computing power from AWS. This allows Netflix to concentrate on content and user experience while Amazon manages the infrastructure. The 3 types of cloud computing. There are 3 primary types of cloud services. Each offers varying levels of control and accountability. 1. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. In IaaS, the cloud provider oversees the hardware aspects of the system, including server storage, networking, virtualization. You maintain command over the software layer, such as operating systems, applications, data, middleware, runtime environments. Examples include cloud backup services like iDrive, Carbonite 2. Platform as a service, PaaS. With PaaS, the cloud provider manages even more. They oversee hardware, server storage, networking, operating systems, middleware, runtime environments. You only oversee your applications, your data. This enables developers to concentrate solely on software development. 3. Software as a service, SaaS. This is the most prevalent cloud model. With SaaS, the provider handles everything. This covers hardware, software, networking, operating systems, storage, security, updates. You merely open a browser to access the application. A prime example is Google Docs. This free online office suite is accessible directly through a web browser. There's nothing to install, everything operates in the cloud. Final thoughts: cloud computing has radically changed the way technology functions. Instead of individuals and organizations creating their own costly infrastructure, they can now rent powerful resources from the cloud as needed. This approach lowers costs, enhances reliability, and enables businesses to grow more rapidly than ever. And that's our overview of cloud computing. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thank you for watching. Rocket emoji.